Now I am taking few more examples where the denominator is not monomial, denominator is binomial. Meaning of monomial and binomial you must be clear. Monomial where single term, binomial where two term, trinomial where are three terms, more than three terms we say polynomials. Question is how to rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 5 minus root 3, second part 3 by root 14 plus root 11, third part 7 upon 3 plus root 8. So it is so simple to rationalize the denominator in case of the binomial. First part I am taking here 1 upon root 5 minus root 3. If I want to rationalize its denominator, what I need to do, I have to multiply numerator and denominator both by the conjugate of denominator. What is the conjugate? If I change the sign between two terms, here it is root 5 minus root 3. If I change the sign, I will get root 5 plus root 3. So I need to multiply it by root 5 plus root 3. Numerator is multiplied, that is 1 is multiplied. Then to keep the value same, denominator also multiplied with the same number. Now numerator 1 into root 5 become root 5 plus 1 into root 3 become root 3 upon, in case of denominator you can observe it is a minus b, it is a plus b. I am taking root 5 as a, root 3 as b. So this become a minus b into a plus b. Algebraic identity a square minus b square. A square means root 5 whole square minus b square means root 3 whole square. This is coming as root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5's whole square is what? 5, and root 3's whole square is what? 3. So answer comes as root 5 plus root 3 upon 5 minus 3, that is what? 2. This is the answer of the first part, rationalize the denominator. Now I am taking the second part. Similarly, the second part is what? 3 upon root 14 minus root 14 plus root 11. Now in order to rationalize it, here denominator is also binomial. What is the procedure to rationalize the terms having the binomial as denominator? We look, we search, we find the conjugate. What is the conjugate? In the previous example, sign between two terms was negative, so conjugate was taken as positive. Here in the second example, the term between, the sign between root 14 and root 11 is positive, so I say the conjugate will be root 14 minus root 11. So this become 3 upon root 14 plus root 11 multiplied by root 14 minus root 11 multiplied by root 14 minus root 11 become 3 into what? Root 14 minus root 11. You cannot subtract root 14 minus root 11. Reason being, this is 14, this is 11. These are not the like. So what is coming out to be a plus b, a minus b. This become a square minus b square, that is root 14 square is 14. Root 11 square is 11. So answer is 3 into root 14 minus root 11 upon 14 minus 11 is what? 14 minus 11 become 3. This 3 and 3 cancelled. We get the answer is root 14 minus root 11 upon nothing, then you can say 1. So this is the second example of rationalizing the denominator. Now I am taking the third example. This is what? This is third part can be solved as 7 upon 3 plus root 8. Again very simple. Here the sign between two terms binomial is what? Positive. So what has to be the rationalizing factor with the sign? Negative. Conjugate. This becomes 7 upon 3 plus root 8 multiplied by 3 minus root 8 upon 3 minus root 8 becomes 7 times of 3 minus root 8 divided by 3 square minus root 8 square. This become 7 into 3 minus root 8 divided by 3 square is what? 9. Root 8 square is what? 8. So 9 minus 8. This become what? 1. So 7 into 3 minus root 8 is the answer of this part after rationalizing the denominator. Same type of question you can go for a lot of practice for making your maths strong. Now I will tell you how to rationalize the term having 3 terms or the surds or the irrational numbers having 3 terms in the denominator, that is the trinomial type questions. Now I am taking an example where I will explain you that how to rationalize a question where the denominator is trinomial. 1 upon 3 plus root 2 minus root 11, 3 terms. So I will make a pair of 2 terms. Suppose 3 plus root 2 is taken as one term and minus root 11 is taken another term. So the conjugate for this will be 3 plus root 2 minus root 11. So I am going to take these two as first and this as second. Change of the sign in the conjugate is required. So the conjugate will be 3 plus root 2 one term and then sign will be in place of minus will be positive. So this become 3 plus root 2 plus root 11 upon 3 plus root 2 plus root 11. Now 1 when multiplied, this will be 3 plus root 2 plus root 11 upon. This is to be considered as one term and this is another term. A minus b and a plus b, this become a plus b whole square, that is 3 plus root 2 whole square and minus root 11 square. This is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. This become 3 plus root 2 plus root 11 upon 3 plus root 2 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 6 root 2. 3 plus root 2 whole square is a square, 3 square 9, root 2 whole square is 2 plus 2 into 3 into root 2 becomes 6 plus root 2 minus root 11's whole square is 11. I can tell you here 9 plus 2 is 11 positive and this is negative. So the answer of this part will be 3 plus root 2 plus root 11 upon. This 11 positive and negative will cancel. So there will be 6 root 2. Now 6 root 2's rationalizing factor is root 2. So now this 3 plus root 2 plus root 11 upon 6 root 2 needs to be multiplied with what? Root 2 into root 2. So what we will get? We will get that is 3 root 2. Then root 2 into root 2 is what? 4. That's answer is 2. Root 11 into root 2 is what? Root of 22 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 6 are 12. So this is the final rationalizing answer of a trinomial. Now we will discuss with you some application part of the rationalization.